For this investigation, we're going to look at the forces that are acting on a cart when it's stationary on a ramp. And so to do that, we need to first figure out what's the weight of our actual cart. And so how we're going to do that is we're going to take our force sensor and we're just going to allow it to hold up our cart off of the ramp. And the reason we're going to do that is because if it's stationary, then our force of gravity and the force of the sensor up on the object is going to produce a net force of 0, which is going to tell us that these two forces are equal. So from that, we can then determine what is the weight of our cart off of the ramp. We're then going to put our cart on the ramp and we're going to change the angle of the ramp. So this is our angle that we're looking at. This would be a 35-degree angle ramp. And in this case now, we're going to have the cart pulling up on the ramp as well. So again, here's our sensor pulling up on the cart. And we're going to look at, if this is the weight of the cart without the ramp, as we have a ramp at different angles, this sensor is going to essentially be supporting the weight of the cart on the ramp to not allow it to slide down. And so all we're going to investigate is as we change this angle, how does that impact the sensor and the weight that this sensor actually has to support. So you're going to move this ramp to different angles and investigate, okay, whatever this is telling me, that's the apparent weight of that cart on the ramp, and include that in our data.